Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 3. Today we are going to finish the chapter 2. Please take out your computer book, part 5. Now, yesterday we have learned screen, how to change desktop icons. Now we are going to learn changing screensaver, how to change screensaver. You can follow the steps and you can listen properly. Screensaver is an animated image that appears on your computer. Screensaver is an animated images that appears on your computer screen. When you leave it idle for some time, the original screen comes back as soon as you press a key from the keyboard or move the mouse. When you save some screensaver, screensaver is animated images, for example, that appears on your computer screen. This is your screensaver images that appears on your computer screen. वो आपको computer screen में दिखाई देगा. When you leave it idle for some times, it will come on screen. Original screen comes back as soon as you press a key. जब आप की प्रेस करते हैं तो क्या आता है, ओरिजिनल स्क्रीन आ जाता है स्क्रीन में. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम द कीबोर्ड और मूव द माउस. टू सेव द स्क्रीन सेवर, फॉलो द फॉलोइंग स्टेप. व्हेन यू हैव टू सेव द स्क्रीन सेवर, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू कैन फॉलो द स्टेप. स्टेप 1, right click anywhere on the desktop, a drop down menu will appear. When you will click right button, so right click on your desktop, a drop down menu will appear. There are some menu that's desktop background, for example desktop background and screensaver. You have to click right button on your mouse. Okay, then there are some menu you can see there. This is the menu, for example. Now click on personalize button. You have to click this personalize button. Then step 3, in the new window, click on the screensaver. A screensaver setting window will open. You will click screensaver, then you will see settings. Windows 7 setting will open there. वहाँ पर Windows 7 का settings open हो जाएगा. Then step 4, choose the screensaver of your choice. You can choose yourselves also. You can choose the screensaver and set time after which you wish the screensaver to appear. You can set your time. जब आपको टाइम से आप टाइम सेट भी कर सकते हैं. इस टाइम screensaver आ सकता है. ओके, so you can choose by yourselves also. Once you are done, click OK. Once you are done for this feature, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, then you can click last. You have to click OK. This is the screensaver appears, time, date, in which time you want screen appear screensaver in your desktop. You can do this. Okay, then you can save like this. Then this step is okay. You can do in your, you can say okay. You can click okay on your computer. Then your screensaver will be changed. Okay, now you have to follow the step. Those who have computer at your home, you can do this. Now, starting a computer in a save mode. How to start a computer in a save mode? Save mode is an alternate way of starting up your computer. Save mode is a alternate way of your computer, of starting of your computer. It only uses the essential programs needed to run Windows. Normally, when you boot up your computer, it loads a lot of drives. When for example जब आप मोबाइल रिबूट करते हैं तो वहाँ पर बहुत सारा टाइम लेते हैं आपका ऐप्स आने में. So computer, when computer also boot, it will take a lot of times and a lot of drives. There are so many drives which are programs that allow your operating system OS to mode only a menu, number or drivers needed to run the computer are loaded. Usually just the mouse, keyboard and display drivers. So when you boot your computer, that programs will be on your screen. जब आप बूट करेंगे उसके बाद धीरे धीरे करके क्या होगा, आपका स्क्रीन में आइकॉन्स आएगा जो आपने सेव किया होगा. सब फोल्डर्स यू कैन सी इन योर drive. So these with the help of operating system, which are programs that allow your operating system, which programs that operating system allows your programs. Okay, so usually just the mouse, keyboard and display drives. So to start computer in safe mode, we follow the following step. When you want to start computer in safe mode, what you have to do? You have to follow the step 1. Turn on or restart your computer. First you have to turn on and you have to restart your computer. While it is booting up, hold down the F8 key before the Windows logo appears. While computer is booting, जब रिबूट रिस्टार्ट हो रहा होता है तब आप क्या करेंगे, कौन सा की क्लिक करेंगे? F8 की. सो F8 की बिफोर द विंडो लोगोज अपियर. जब लोगोज यहाँ अपियर होने से पहले ही आपको कौन सा क्लिक करना है? F8 की. यू हैव टू क्लिक, प्रेस दिस. ओके, एंड स्टेप 2, a menu will appear. You can then release the F8 key. When menu will appears like this, कंप्यूटर रिबूट रिस्टार्ट होने के बाद क्या होता है? ऐसा मेन्यूज आता है. ओके, देन जब आपने वो F8 की क्लिक प्रेस किया होता है, वो आपको रिलीज करना है. रिलीज करने के बाद क्या होता है? दिस विल बी अपीयर्स ऑन योर कंप्यूटर. यूज द एरो की टू हाईलाइटेड सेव मोड. use this arrow key and highlighted save mode or save mode with networking. If you need to use the internet to solve your problems, then press enter key. If you need some internet connection, then to solve your problem, जब आपको problem solve करने के लिए internet चाहिए तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं? You can press enter key also. Okay, now step 3, your computer will be then boot in a safe mode. Now you can follow the step, then your computer will be in a safe mode. You can see this, a menu will appear. First, when you click F8 key, जब आप F8 की प्रेस कर रहे होते हैं तब क्या होता है? This menu will appear in your computer. Then you can release your hand. Then what you will do? Use the arrow key, the highlighted save mode. Use the arrow key. You can use this arrow key and the save mode or save mode. The networking is if you need to use the internet to solve your problem. When you need some internet to solve your problem, you can click enter key. Okay. So at last your computer will be then boot in a safe mode. When you will follow the step, your computer will be in safe mode. Okay. Now shutting down the computer. How to shut down your computer? अब computer कैसे बंद करना है? Now after you have finished your work on the computer, you need to shut down. After finish your work, जब आप काम खत्म करेंगे तो you have to shut down your computer. Before shutting down the computer, you should save and close all the documents. When you are going to finish your work, जब आप काम खत्म करेंगे तो क्या होगा? You have to save your documents, then you can shut down your computer. Okay, to shut down the computer properly, you should follow the following step. To shut down the computer, you have to follow the step. Step 1, left click on the start button. First you have to, जो mouse में left click होगा उसको आपको click करना है. Left click mouse, left click button, then it will appear some, यहाँ start button में आप जाएंगे. First you have to go start button, then you will click left button, then that some menu will appear here. Menu आ जाएगा. फिर यहाँ पर right side में, at the right side you can see shut down. Shut down is there. Now left click on the shut down button. Now the computer will be shut down. A black screen will appear. When you will click this button, a black screen will appear. Turn off the power button of the computer. First you have to turn off the power button. of the computer. Okay. Now turn off the UPS of the computer. UPS of the computer, you can see this. First, second, third space, you have to turn off the monitor button. Then you have to turn off the UPS button. At last, you have to turn off electricity button, electricity switchboard. You can turn off. Then this you can follow the step how to shut down the computer. ऐसे आपका computer at a proper way you can shut down your computer. So you have to follow the step. Okay. When you will not follow the step, your computer will be useless. आप जब कंप्यूटर स्विच बोर्ड, डायरेक्ट स्विच बोर्ड से आप ऑफ करेंगे तो बाद में जाकर कंप्यूटर में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. ओके. सो फॉलो द स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2, स्टेप 3, स्टेप 4, स्टेप 5. देयर आर सम पिक्चर्स. स्टेप 3, shut down your monitor button. Third step, fourth step, UPS button you have to shut down. Then step 5, switch board off, switch button off. Okay. Now we have finished the chapter. Changing screensaver, how to change screensaver, follow the step. You have to click right button. Then starting a computer in a save mode, how to start a computer in a save mode. Then shut down the computer, how to shut down your computer, you can follow the step at your home also. Okay. So now we are going to do exercise work. You can take out page number 26. Tick the correct option. The clock is present. The clock is present on the dash of the taskbar. Where? Left side, center, and right side. Right side. The clock is appear on the right side of the taskbar. Icons are labeled image, hardware, input device. Icons are labeled image. छोटा छोटा होता है वो. The dash appears on the screen when the computer is idle. Desktop, taskbar, and screensaver. So the dash appears on the screen when the computer is idle. Desktop. The dash is an operating system. Desktop Windows is an operating system. Computer manage it function with the help of what computer? How computer manage? With the help of operating system. Okay, with the help of operating system. So do this in your copy at home. Now fill in the blanks. The first screen that we see when we switch on the computer is called desktop. Desktop. The first screen that you see on your computer is called desktop. Okay. Now dash is the term used to describe the actions of the computer of pressing the buttons of the mouse. The bar that appears at the buttons of the window desktop is called what? Window desktop is called taskbar. Taskbar. Dash is a system that computer used to manage all its function. Operating system. Operating system. Question number 2 and question number 5 I will give you the homework so you can do yourself. Okay. Now match the following. Icons are labeled image. Icons are labeled image. Desktop. Screensaver Windows. Desktop first screen that appears when we open a computer. Now next, screensaver. Screensaver appears when the computer is idle. Window is a operating system. Start button gives access the documents and programs available on the computer. Now do this homework. आप लोग ये कर सकते jumbles word you can do yourself and identify the icons. This is your homework. So exercise A, exercise B. And exercise C, D, E. This is your homework. You have to do this in your copy. Fill in the blanks. I have gave you question number 2 and question number 5. You can do yourself. And jumble the word S-R-C-E-N-E, screen. S-C, I am giving one example. I will give S-C-R-E-E and screen. S-A-V-E-R, saver. Like this you can do this, okay? So, आप लोग ये घर पे कर लीजिएगा. This is your homework. Exercise A, exercise B and exercise C, D, E. So, we have finished the chapter 2. Tomorrow we will start chapter 3. For today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.